In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Looker Studio. First, you'll want to make sure you have your report open in Looker Studio and that you're in edit mode. If you haven't already, ensure you've added your data source to the report. This is crucial because it gives you access to the dimensions and metrics you'll need to populate your table. Once you're in edit mode and your data source is ready, head over to the toolbar at the top. Click on Add a Chart, then select Table from the drop-down options. You can also simply click the table chart icon if you see it directly on the toolbar. It's up to you which method feels more intuitive. Next, on your canvas, you should click or drag to position the table precisely where you want it to appear. This step is pretty visual, so feel free to play around with the placement until it looks just right. After placing the table, you'll notice a setup panel on the right side of your screen. Here, under Data Source, be sure to select the correct data source from the options available to you. Then, go ahead and click plus Add Dimension. This will allow you to select one or more dimensions such as date, campaign, or country to give your table meaningful categories. It's important to choose dimensions that align with the insights you're aiming to gain from the table. Next, under the Metrics section, click plus Add Metric to include relevant metrics like clicks, impressions, or cost. Selecting the right metrics will ensure your table reflects the data points you're keen to analyze. If your dataset includes a date dimension, consider setting a date range or a default date range to filter your data by specific timeframes. This can be extremely useful in honing in on particular data trends or patterns over time. Once your data is set up, switch over to the Style panel, located next to the Setup tab. This is where you get to customize the look and feel of your table. Adjust the font, size, and color of your header text to match your report's theme or your brand's guidelines. You might want to alternate row shading to make data easier to read, or toggle options like row numbers and totals for more detailed insights. Adjusting column widths, alignment, or text wrapping can further enhance how information is displayed, making it easier for viewers to digest. Take a moment to resize your table on the canvas if necessary. Ensure all your columns are fully visible, or adjust scrolling settings as required. Once you're satisfied with the setup and style, switch to View mode. This will show you exactly how your table appears to viewers, allowing you to double-check that it displays clearly and effectively conveys the intended data. Finally, remember to save your report. With your table in place, you can now use it to sort data, apply filters, or even act as a drill-down tool for other visuals within your report, creating a comprehensive and interactive data presentation.